So, because I opened the door about this Facebook thing, there is a lot of things that I would like to talk about, but we need to go in parts because it can take a little bit long. So, one issue that I would like to bring up about this is the privatization of individual information. So this concept, it's a reversed kind of thought experiment. So nowadays, everything that we consider, we talk when we say that something is privatized, it means that it stopped being public and it is now bought by a company. However, this concept it's to think in reverse. Nowadays, companies have our information against our will. So, in fact, what we need is a privatization of that information. So that information needs to return to its own private part. And to do it, it's necessary to think of it as before. Once it was used by, once, like for example, information is used by Facebook, it's kind of public and they are using that information in a public way. They are selling it and they are trading it, and what we want is to add control over it. To have control over it, it's not in fact having complete control over it, but it's the power to decide what are the patterns that we want the world to see. So, for example, today we have cookies in every site that we go. So the cookies are force-fed into us, and we, even though we go to a site and we read their stuff, the site automatically gives us the cookies. However, it should be the other way around. It should be, I do understand the value of something, so for that reason I put the cookies. And this is how we can turn this system completely upside down, like taking literally control over it and give it directly to the people. It's necessary to teach some kind of procedures to people, of course, but I do think that also comes with the understanding of what we are doing. So once we understand that we can do this means that many of the things can change, many of the systems can change, and because of that, even how we learn how to interact with these kind of tools, it's in itself a learning tool. So so this idea is to privatize the individual data and to make it our own, and with that we can in fact accomplish bigger and better things.